The first Friday in October is National Manufacturing Day, and in honor of the occasion, a number of companies will open their doors to show students the many different STEM career paths. Cleveland's NASA Glenn Research Center got a jump on that celebration, and our growing STEM camera tagged along recently as local scholars got a behind-the-scenes look at a different side of NASA.
Welcome to Manufacturing Day here at the NASA Glenn Research Center.
Over 100 local students toured facilities the public rarely sees. The goal? To clear up some misconceptions about careers at NASA and show the different paths to get here.
There's a misnomer that everyone at NASA is actually a genius. However, contrary to that, everyone at NASA is a hard worker.
Then they can bring us the metal part.
Christina Rapenchuk came to NASA through an apprenticeship program right after high school. In her role, she brings the vision for ideas to life.
I get to physically make a part and hold from a solid block of metal that was nothing to a finished, usable piece of hardware.
Students saw the many different shops that function here. Metal fabrication builds the models. The instrumentation shop, where wiring is so delicate, microscopes are needed. A machine shop, and for rapid prototyping, 3D printing in plastic and metal. It may look intimidating, but Rapenchuk says that you don't need to be a math whiz to figure it out.
The different maths and whatnot you use just on a daily basis in your everyday life, that's what you use.
That's breathtaking. I mean, the fact that you can measure things to the millionth of an inch or, cut metal with water.
Design student Caleb Greenwood was also impressed.
The 3D printing, like metal printing, I thought that was super amazing. Like, you could just 3D print the parts and put them in, and how they put it all together and weld the pieces.
The students also competed in an engineering design challenge, making a drinking straw truss to see how much weight it can hold before falling. NASA wants to bridge the gap between classroom learning and real-world applications, with the desire for these teens to create the next generation of space hardware.
I definitely see opportunity. It's an interesting career, and I think it's a very valuable skill. I can see myself doing something like this.
Well, NASA is not the only one celebrating Manufacturing Day. The Great Lakes Science Center will host more than 600 middle and high school students on Monday. The event will showcase a few of our local manufacturers. So obviously, STEM is involved in manufacturing from top to bottom.
Absolutely. I mean, manufacturing is STEM, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, so it's great. They get exposed to this at an early age and maybe find a career in the process.
And find a career here.
Yeah, that's the idea.
In Northeast Ohio.
Yeah, stay here.
Keep our talent. I like that. All right.